Welcome in. This is Mark Parr, your host. Welcome into the Tea Time Tee Off. Pinehurst II today. I'm going to do the front nine, a little practice round with Sir Dan. I think he's an expert at the pro tees. You're watching the Tea Time Tee Off between 2 and 4 p.m. Eastern. We like to just get right to it. There's highlights. Jack Nicklaus Signature Edition. We got the new camera crew, forward view, reverse view. They went out on the course today. Some trouble there. Sir Dan bashes into the plywood, a tree. And here's that incredible replay. Yards. There's a 37. Let's take another look. 67. With the pitching wedge. That was a lot of fun. A challenging course redone, I believe, by Scott Chesney. Scott Chesney. I hope I'm saying that right. Chesney. With the new crew in there trying to give you the forward and reverse view. Hole number 3. Seems a little bit easier than the other Pinehurst I've played